Love is in the air, and your guardian angels want to provide insights on important events and your future luck. Have you ever felt that someone special might be hiding their feelings for you? Have you noticed glances that quickly look away when you catch them, or shy smiles that seem to convey more than words? What if the person you least expect is secretly wishing to be closer to you? Are you ready to explore the signs and understand the crucial role these hidden emotions can play in your journey? Find out right now how this revelation can change your life and guide your future. It is important to keep in mind the presence of a synchronicity sign in this video, rooted in certain aspects of your life. Therefore, it's a good idea to watch until the end to make the most of your guardian angel's message. In this regard, even if you may be aware of who this person is, their confession will still come as a complete surprise. This is especially true once you realize how long they have kept their feelings hidden. Have you ever paused for a moment to reflect on the possibility that perhaps your everyday actions, those done without expecting anything in return, may have touched someone's heart around you in a deeper way than you realize? This question, although it may seem simple, brings an invitation to delve into a deeper reflection on how we perceive our own actions and the impact they can have on the lives of those around us. It can often be challenging to recognize the value of our own actions. This is especially true for those among us who naturally tend to put others first, downplaying our own achievements and the effect they have on the world around us. The truth is that you may not realize how much your actions, no matter how simple they may be, can be significant for someone who is watching closely. Whether it's a smile offered on a tough day, a listening ear in a time of need, or even that message sent at an opportune moment, your actions have the power to deeply affect someone's life. The question then becomes not only an invitation for self-analysis, but a reminder that you, at your core, have the potential to be the reason why someone feels loved, appreciated, and possibly even loved. In this context, understanding that you are undoubtedly deserving of love and admiration is not an exercise in vanity, but of self-acceptance. It is important to recognize that, even without trying, you can be the light in someone's life, simply by being who you are. The challenge of recognizing your own achievements and their importance can be significant, especially if you are not in the habit of putting yourself first or acknowledging your own merits. However, it is essential to understand that each small action, every gesture of kindness, every moment of understanding and support, contributes to the mosaic of who you are and the positive impact you have on the world. In a message of profound wisdom and understanding, your guardian angels want to tell you this: the tendency to underestimate your own accomplishments, especially when you are naturally inclined to put the needs and well-being of others above your own. This altruistic disposition, although commendable and reflecting the purest form of kindness, carries with it the risk of neglecting your own worth and accomplishments. It is a gentle reminder that, in the act of caring for others, you should not forget to care for yourself. The message here is clear: even in the pursuit of maintaining balance and promoting the happiness of those around us, it is essential that you do not lose sight of the value of self-knowledge and self-appreciation. There is an incomparable beauty in recognizing and celebrating your own accomplishments, for each small victory, each act of kindness, each moment of overcoming is a testimony of your character and your ability to positively influence the world around you. The analogy of trying to get to know yourself as if you were getting to know a new person is particularly powerful. Imagine dedicating the same time, interest, and effort to explore your own essence, passions, and motivations that you usually reserve to understand someone you love or admire. This process of self-discovery can reveal layers and depths of your being that you may have never realized or given the proper importance to. Taking the time to truly know yourself is an invitation to a fascinating journey to the heart of your identity, where you can discover not only what motivates you, but also what inspires you, what brings joy to your heart, and what ignites the flame of your passion. By embarking on this journey of self-exploration, you may be surprised at how intriguing and multifaceted you are. Through the eyes of others, you may begin to see reflections of your own light that, until then, remained hidden in the shadows of humility and neglected self-care. This profound message carries with it a dimension that transcends simple understanding of others' feelings, delving into the deep waters of self-awareness and introspection. It speaks to the importance of tuning in not only to others' hearts, but crucially, to your own heart, exploring and understanding your internal emotions and how you relate to the world around you. This invitation to reflection is anchored in the idea of clairvoyant thought, a mysterious and fascinating phenomenon where your intuitions and thoughts seem to foresee or invoke future events, creating an indelible link between your inner self and the fabric of the cosmos. These moments of clarity, where what you imagine or think materializes in the real world, are testimonies of a deeply rooted cosmic connection, often underestimated or even ignored in your daily life. This connection is not just a coincidence or a stroke of luck, it is a manifestation of your intrinsic harmony with the universe, a clear sign that you are in tune with the energies that surround you and guide your path. This perception of synchronicity not only reveals your ability to intuit and foresee, but also serves as a powerful reminder that you are not isolated on your life journey. On the contrary, you are immersed in a network of cosmic interconnections that protect and guide you. Recognizing and valuing these signs of synchronicity is recognizing that you are part of something much greater, a universe that communicates with you in subtle yet meaningful ways. Your intuition, that internal voice that often whispers deep truths, is one of the most powerful tools you have to navigate this complex and often chaotic world. It is the bridge between the known and the unknown, the visible and the invisible, the material and the spiritual. By paying attention to your clarifying thoughts and synchronicity in your life, you open your heart and mind to a deeper understanding of yourself and the role you play in the world. Therefore, this message is an invitation for you to look within, to explore the depths of your being, and to recognize the beauty and power of your connection with the universe. It is a call to trust your intuition, to listen to the subtle messages that the cosmos sends, and to see these moments of clarity not only as intriguing curiosities but as reminders that you are protected, guided, and infinitely connected to the mysterious forces of the universe. Ultimately, it is a reminder that by fully embracing this connection, you can live a more fulfilling, richer life aligned with your true purpose and the divine forces that shape and move you. I want to conclude with a prayer for you. Lord, I lift up to you my prayers for the kind and generous soul who will soon find the warmth of a sincere declaration of love from a dear friend. You who watch over all of us with eyes full of mercy and unconditional love, know her heart deeply, always filled with kindness, always putting others' needs before her own, radiating light and comfort to those fortunate enough to cross her path. I ask, Lord, that you envelop her with your divine presence, gently guiding her through this new chapter of her life. I implore you to help her realize the immense value she carries within her, that inner beauty that shines brighter than the stars in the night sky. May she recognize the preciousness of her essence, the depth of her being, and may this revelation strengthen her heart and soul. Grant her, through your endless generosity, the wisdom to listen to her intuition, that subtle voice echoing your guidance. May she feel secure and supported by the universal protection, knowing that every choice made with an open heart and truth is blessed by you. May she find the courage to embrace the feelings that arise, allowing herself to fully live each emotion with plenitude and gratitude. I also ask, O Father, that you fill her with confidence in her ability to go through these new experiences and sensations. May she know that she is not alone on this journey, for your divine presence is a constant, a beacon of light guiding her steps toward true love and self-discovery. I conclude this sentence with a heart full of hope, placing in your wise and loving hands the destiny and well-being of she who is about to discover new dimensions of love and affection. May she feel cradled by your peace, supported by your love, and inspired by your wisdom. Amen. Your guardian angels leave with these words. When your friend confesses their feelings to you, listen to what your intuition has to say. If you are worried about making the wrong decision, know that the universe always leans in your favor. All you need to do is follow what you believe is right. Type 444 to claim this message and the blessings within for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that nurtures the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and will receive the universe's blessings in return. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. Do you truly know who is the person destined to be your true soulmate? I feel you are stepping into a new chapter of your spiritual quest. Change is coming, and strong emotions are about to unfold. But this premonition is not just about you. Another soul, your soulmate, is about to come into focus. Today I am sharing with you that there is a possible image of your true soulmate. Click the link in the description to see this image. The universe is bringing you together. You will recognize them. Or will you meet this person very soon to finally be with the beloved one you are meant to be with? Some people are skeptical, but once they read the real stories of people who ordered a drawing and then met their soulmate, they will be amazed. Using the universe as a guide to connect them produces truly incredible results. You need to see this picture to understand what I mean. Click on the link in the description to see the drawing of your soulmate. An important message is waiting for you in the next video. Will you listen to it? When reflecting on this information, recognize the power you have in shaping the narrative of your relationships. Every gesture, every word, and every acknowledgement contribute to the legacy of understanding and connection in your relationship journey. Always remember that the path may be full of twists and turns, but it is the shared stories, the rebuilt bridges, and the collective memories that truly make it valuable. Be attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.